Guys, this video was just a day in my life vlog. I want to record what I make for breakfast, so I was waiting for my camera to charge. Today I'm gonna have some granola with yogurt. Hey guys, I feel like I didn't talk enough in the intro of this video, so I decided to do a voiceover. In this video, you guys are just gonna spend the day with me. I tried to take you guys through my day when I had to go shopping, and right now I'm just making myself some breakfast. I've been having granola with yogurt and bananas like most mornings. It's so good. Also, I did get the cinnamon bun baking kit, so I want to do that before the end of this video. Right now I need to go to the pastry shop because I have some vintage pastry to post, so I need to go do that. And also I'm thinking there's an Aldi and I'm thinking of popping to Aldi and getting bagel and some bagel fillings because I've actually never had bagel before and I want to try it out. And when I get back, I'm gonna bake the cinnamon bun. I got a new vlogging camera, so that's what I'm using right now. Before I leave, I'm thinking I want to do my gratitude journal because I'm trying to develop the new habit of doing this every morning and every evening. So I think I'm gonna do this really quickly. It should take like 5 minutes or something, and then once that's done, I'm gonna close up the orders because they're in the same bag, so it's like right on them to differentiate them. So I'm gonna bring my camera with me. We're gonna try to vlog outside. Might be not the best, but we're gonna try get some clips outside. But right now I'm just gonna do this really quickly, and I'm gonna pack my bag also. So guys, I just got done doing my gratitude journal. Next thing I'm going to do is pack my bag. I can't bring my proper bag out, so I'm going to bring this tote bag that I got at the Gracie Abrams concert, the Secret of Us concert I went to earlier this year, and I miss it. Like I said, I have this two package I had to go post. I'm hoping that survives. I'm thinking, should I add extra tape to the end? Because I'm scared. You know, this is the other one. They're packed up, but I don't want them to come loose, so I'm gonna add extra tapes to them. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna be packing my bag with the essentials I'm gonna need while I'm out. I have my camera carrying bag and the lens cover. Gonna be bringing that with me because I'm gonna need it. And then this is my brown leather bag. I'm gonna check in here to see if there's anything I need. Guys, this is my outfit. I have this jumper from Primark and these jeans, and I just have my Hugs on and a leather jacket. It's pretty basic. I have no jewelry on except my ring. That's my Ultra Human ring that I try to wear almost every day, but this is the outfit for going out. Leaving the pastry shop, I went into Home Bargains to find some fall things to do for like my fall activities and take off items on my fall bucket list. So I just looked around in Home Bargains and picked up a few pieces of stuff. I give you guys a haul later on in this video, so I'm not gonna spoil any of the things I got. But I love going in Home Bargains. There's just something about Home Bargains I love. You always find things that you don't know you need until you see it. So maybe it's not the best idea going there every time because you spend so much more money than you plan to, because they just have so much stuff, so much random stuff. I definitely want to go back there to look at like their Christmas decoration and Christmas stuff. I'm so excited to do that. literally just got back home and it's already 2 p.m. I'm gonna give you guys a quick haul of the things I got. I got a cucumber because I love cucumbers and I haven't had one in a while. I got this strawberry yogurt for my granola. I'm so excited to try. I got some baby plum tomatoes. Got some panini rolls. I got a pack of 4. I got some original bagels. It comes with a pack of 5. I got some soft cheese because when I wrote it down, I wrote cream cheese and I looked it up and soft cheese is the same as cream cheese. I just got some Payne's hot chocolate and I got some lettuce. I got some bananas. I love bananas. I like to have it with my granola in the morning. Then I got mozzarella cheese slices. This was actually pricey, but I hope it's good. The last one I got is this cooked chicken breast slices because apparently they are good for you. They are high in protein and they're just like good for you, I guess. So I just got this. Yeah, that's the last one I got from Aldi. And then I went in on Bargains and bought a bunch of stuff also, so I'm gonna show you guys that. The first one I got is this sunset projection lamp. I've always wanted one of this and I saw it and I was like, you know what, I'll just get it. I got Milky Way bar, top deck, and I got my favorite toffee. I love this toffee so much, I get it like all the time. I got this pack of mailing bags to post like vintage packages. I saw this Monster energy drink. It's Monster Reserve Peaches and Cream. I've never had it and I've never seen it and I was like, you know what, I'll just get it and try it because I always get the same flavor all the time and I'm like, it's time to branch out. And then I got this pumpkin painting lantern. I got this to do with my friends or maybe myself, but I got 2 of this. I'm so excited to do this. This is such a fall activity. The last one I got are nuts. Next time I'm guessing I'll probably be baking some cinnamon bun, but I'm gonna let my camera try, so I'll probably switch to my phone to record that. That's all my haul for now. And it's finally time to do some fall baking. I decided to bake cinnamon bun. The reason why I'm using the box baking kit is because I did not have some of the ingredients for the cinnamon bun and I didn't want to buy them because that'd be expensive and I know I wouldn't use them again till next year and there's a good chance they'll be expired by next fall and I didn't want to waste that money. So when I saw the box baking kit in Asda, I was like, I'll just get this one and do it, and it tasted so good. It was so yummy. So it was a win-win situation overall because it was such a good price. It was like under £3 for the box set and it made like a good amount of cinnamon buns and everyone loved it in my house. It was so good. I'll do it again. Guys, I've got the cinnamon buns right here. I placed the place in a one place for like an hour. I don't have any one place to put it, so I'm preheating the oven a little bit and then I'm gonna pop it in the oven for like an hour and I'll come back and check on it. Maybe that would work, and then I'm actually gonna bake it afterwards. In this section of the video, I just showed you guys my fall bucket list that I made, and I also changed the stickers in the back of my Kindle to fall stickers. Most of them are from my friend's website. She sadly closed it down now. And I also did a coloring page in my coloring book because I haven't done it in a while. I need to do like a fall color coloring page because I haven't done that also, because I love to make mine so colorful, but then I'm like, this is giving like spring and summer, not fall, so I need to do one with fall colorings. Maybe I'll do that soon.